Oh, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Let's do it from the 1 hour candlestick, because if you're a smart trader and you are trading with a little capital, you have to do the trade from possible 5 minutes, possible 1 minute to 5 minutes to 15 minutes to 13 minutes and to 1 hour. So let's do it from 1 hour, because this was where I took my trade from yesterday. I basically took the trade from when it get to this touch line here. I basically took the trade from when it get to the touch line here. That's where I took the trade from this line, and then it went down. And I was scared because I knew my analysis was right. I didn't get out of the trade. I took the trade from this point, and it went as low as this particular one here, which was at $20,877. I wasn't scared. I was already on massive loss. I wasn't scared because I knew where I took my trade from. So I wasn't scared at all. I knew where I took my trade from. So I was having a meeting with some of my friends, and before the meeting was over, I was already on my profit. So I basically did 78% yesterday from the trade I took. I basically did 78% from that point. I entered. I did 78% with my little profit I made. I pull out of the trade from this point here. So guys, if you could follow our last video yesterday, I don't know if I can bring that to our notice. Let me show you guys what I told about the market yesterday and exactly what the market played out. In this 1 hour, we see we had a resistance here. We had a very strong support down here. We had a very strong support down here, and then another support breakout here, and then another one breakout here, and then this last one I decided to take my trade. From this last one here, and then boom, the market was on for me. The profit was on. Let me show you guys what I told you guys about yesterday. For those of you that did not see yesterday's video, that probably will see today's video, let me show you what I said about the video and what I said was going to play on, because I basically fired out everything that was going to play on the video yesterday. So let me show you guys. So guys, this was what I said that will happen in yesterday. So if you watch this video to the end yesterday, you see I basically analyzed what will happen, and a lot of people that were smart yesterday that entered this trade from this point here made a lot of profit yesterday. And somebody chatted me up this morning and said, Austin, let me take some profit. I told him, yeah, profit is necessary. So for those of you that watched this video yesterday, you could see where I told you guys that we were going to have a little entry, which played out, and we do not know where the coin is going to take us to today. So let's take a look at the chart so we could as well tell ourselves. So guys, on this 1 hour chart here, you will see that the Bitcoin is trying to respond to this resistance up here. It's trying to pay attention to this resistance up here. That was why I drew this line here yesterday. I drew this line here, that if Bitcoin should break this resistance that is currently facing up here, another resistance should be here, but I don't think it's going to hold. Then another one will be here. I don't think that is going to hold. Our last resistance is going to be up here, when we must have gotten back to 23,400. That's what I believe that will play out in the market. So if you will take a look at the 4-hour time frame here, you will see that Bitcoin is currently did not break our resistance, our support here. This was our support yesterday. If you look at our previous video yesterday, you see that was our support, and Bitcoin did not break that. That was why I was confidently enough to take the trade that gave me this profit I made this morning. So we get to this point, and then it bounced down again. There was another retest down again. So I think this position will hold. For me, I think this position will hold until we might see Bitcoin around 22,200 again. I believe this position will hold up here. That's what I believe. I believe that position will hold until we see Bitcoin up again to 22,200. I believe this position will hold. That's what I think, and I believe this position is going to hold So for those of you that will be entering the trade, make sure the previous trend is over before you get into this trend. How do you make sure the previous trend is over? By taking a good look at your 30-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour time frame to make sure that the previous trend is over before you get into the trend. We might be going down. A lot of people have confirmed that this is a bear market, but for me, I believe Bitcoin still has a long way to go before September. We should be seeing Bitcoin back to 28 to 30K. So guys, we're going to be trading the market today. A lot of you have been making use of my link. The Bybit link is still there on my bio. You could make use of. So people keep asking me, how do they make this profit? See, this is basically for smart traders. This particular tag you see here is basically for smart traders. You see 3K, and you can you trade at with 3K you trade at 10K, and then you get this bonus right here, which is $100. It's very easy for those of you that are smart traders. This is Bybit. You could use my link on the bio to sign up, and all these bonuses will be yours. And this is Bygate, and then Bygate is yours. They are waiting for you. See their smart bonus. The smart bonus is yours right here. You sign up, and then you'll be invited to come and play with this. If you are invited, and then you'll be given the taxes to do. Once you perform every other task that you've been given to do, you will get access to all these bonuses that you see right here. So guys, take a look at the market cap was up again. The total market cap of cryptocurrency was up to 1 trillion. It's down again to 997.2 trillion. I believe we'll be seeing a trillion before the end of today, and I believe this week is bullish. To me, I believe this week is bullish. I've gotten a lot of long position on my trade. I believe they will play hardware. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.